Hi guys, it's Tracy. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Here is Lily, my little baby. We no longer have the Chihuahua Symphony. We only have a whining Chihuahua. So I had to bring her out here because she wouldn't stop crying. If you missed what happened, where I've been, I'll put a video up in the corner there and you can see that last video and it will explain where I've been and what happened. So today for you guys, I have a double Boxycharm unboxing, and I think they're both premium. I was only gonna unbox last month's because I got it and I didn't really care if I opened it or not at that point. So I have an August, I think they're both premiums. So the August premium and the September premium boxes, Mr. is here too, as well as a small order that I made from the Boxycharm Popup that they had last month. So if you like these kinds of videos, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Make sure to click the notification bell. So let's see, we'll start with the August box. I think this is the first one that I have here. Yeah, this would be the August box, and I'm sure you've already seen pretty much everything. It was Boxycharm Go All Out, and the first thing, this was a choice item, I think. This is the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. And this is $49. Wow, it's a lot of moolah. It says it's a luxurious textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. The addition of turmeric root extract helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while niacinamide brightens and visibly reduces the appearance of pores. The soothing lavender scent creates a relaxing and calming moment to enhance your self-care routine. So $49. Next up, we have another choice item, and it was from Beauty. This is their Kissed by Soft Matte Bronzing Powder. What are you doing? And this says that it has a velvety smooth bronzer delivering covetable sun-kissed warmth for face and body. And the shade I got, Kissed by Santorini. So I'll take that plastic out. So there it is. It looks pretty dark. Let's take a swatch. It's very smooth. It doesn't look too dark on my skin there, and it's really, really soft and like smooth. So feels nice. So that was $30. Next up, we have the, I'm not sure how you pronounce this, OC Malibu Sea Minerals Mist. This is $38. It says it balances and smooth skin with the supercharged toning mist. Its proprietary blend of nutrient-rich seaweed visibly evens your skin tone while minerals work their magic. Cooling and refreshing, the aloe vera infused mist helps nourish sun-drenched skin. Microcloud mist is the ideal delivery system for plumping hydration. $38. I just realized I don't have my overhead light on. Okay, so nice glass bottle. Feels really nice and weighty, which for $38 I would hope so. So that's nice. And then we have the Luxe and Willow Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. That's what this is. I don't know that I'll use this, so I'll just leave it in the box. It says it's $79.99. Wow. It says that it vibrates to help achieve your post-facial glow without leaving the house. The vibrating tool helps to contour and tone the skin, while cooling rose quartz sculpts the face and promotes blood circulation. Use with favorite serum or moisturizer to maximize the results of your skincare routine. $79.99. It's a lot of money. And then, what are you doing over there? Then we have from Zoeva the Powerful Lip Twist. This. And mine is in the shade Iris. And it says that hug your lips with high precision and a powerful charge of pigments, shape, and shade. Shape and shade lips with smooth, creamy comfort and pure color. Powerful Lip Twist is boosted with raspberry stem cells and a strong moisturizing activity. The thin filmed finish is extremely adherent. Never dry, always comfortable. $14. So it looks like a liner, but it kind of looks like, it sounds like they're saying it's a lipstick. It's very smooth. It's a nice color. You guys know me, I'm into the nude lip thing. And this was $14. And then the last item here is by Luxe Beauty Face Disc. Wipe away your day with this alternative eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. So you guys know these. We've all seen them. You get 3 of them for $24. They're comparable to the Face Halo, and Elf even has one for like $3 or $4. So I have these, and not this brand, but I do have a few, and I like to use them. And I also have the makeup erasers. So I will tally the total for this box and put it on the screen here when I'm editing. And that was the August premium box. It was a pretty good box. So happy with that. And then I guess I can tell you what I got out of the pop-up shop. The first thing I got, and what I have on my eyes today, is the new Beaute Floral Vintage eyeshadow palette. It's like a big palette. I wasn't really too sure on the colors because I couldn't really see. The pictures online didn't really show you too well, you know, what kind of color scheme you were going to get, but I figured, you know, floral, it was, you know, going to have a few pops of color and then, you know, some nice neutrals, and that's exactly what it is. So I used it today, and I think this was $9. So I'm glad I picked it up. I thought about getting the new Colourpop. It's a mood palette, and then I saw this, and I'm like, oh, I'm glad I didn't buy that. I'm trying not to buy anything. So we'll see how that goes. And then next, from Dalton, I got their Complexion Enhancing Palette. And it's a face palette that has bronzers, and it's really nice and weighty. Pretty, get fingerprints all over it. It's got a nice mirror in it. You've got 2 highlighters, 2 blushes. I think one is matte, one is with some shimmer in it, like a banana powder. And then you've got like some bronzers or contours in the corner there. So I use that as my face products today, and I think this was $12. And it was like $50 from Dalton. And I went to Dalton's site and they had it on their site. So that, and then another thing from Dalton is their Smooth Assist Skin Energy Daily Renewing Souffle. So, just a moisturizer. And I took it out and I'm like, wow, the packaging is really pretty on this one. So I'm not sure how much this one was. I honestly can't remember. It says hydrate, replenish, and retexturize. So I don't know how it's going to do that. And then the last item I bought was the M Cosmetics Color Drops Serum Blushes, and I got it in the shade Venetian Rose. I haven't used it yet or anything. I just opened it to look at it. And I think these were $9, I want to say. And I had wanted to try these when they first came out, but they were kind of expensive, and I was like, you don't need it. And then I saw them in the pop-up, and I was like, okay, you can get it. And then when I opened up my box of my pop-up order, this was the first thing I saw on the top. And it is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. And the shade is a glow, and I'm like, okay, what product did they screw up on and not send me, and they sent me this in its place? And it turns out neither, because I didn't order this and I got the 4 items that I ordered. So this was someone's mistake, a freebie, I don't know, but I'll try it out. So that is what I got from the pop-up sale, and let's see what's in the September premium box. What you doing, Squirt? Do we need the light on? Let me turn the light on. So, let's see here. This is the premium, and this is Boxycharm BTS. What? So let's see, the first thing on the top here that I see is a Fenty. This is one of the choice items, and these are the Snap Shadows for $25. And I haven't really ever heard the greatest reviews on the Fenty eyeshadow formula. I got the Moroccan Spice palette in a box, and I've used it a few times, and I got the purpley looking one. This is like super small. I mean, it's like the size of your palm. I didn't realize it was that small. I mean, I don't need a ton of eyeshadow, but 25 bucks and it's that small? Wow. So that was my first choice item. And if I can remember, I think that the choices were not the greatest. And the other choice item was the Tarte Seed Lotion Skin Perfector. I thought it was a face wash. Okay, so this is Get It Lit From Within look with the Instant Complexion Perfector, inspired by the magical glow effect of bioluminescence. It gives a natural luminous glow onto the skin and micronized pearls that reflect light to blur imperfections. The 4-in-1 Complexion Perfector works to prime and extend makeup wear and hide imperfections, glow and brighten. And it says this is $32. That's a lot of money. For some reason I thought it was a cleanser, and I was like, well, I mean, I think this was about one of the only things that was left by the time I was able to get into the pop-up, because there was some sort of problem. Let's see what it looks like. You can't, once you put it on your skin, you won't be able to see it. So we'll test it out and see what happens. So that is $32. Next up we have the Tan Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Acid Self-Tan Serum, $40. I just bought one of these at Walmart, and I've been using it the past 2 nights, and it is in the, I got it on clearance, and it was the shade Light, and I don't think it's done anything. So this one doesn't, this just says Hyaluronic Self-Tan Serum Gradual. It doesn't even come in a shade choice, I guess. So it says the first Hyaluronic Superfood Self-Tan Serum, your best skin ever, bottled. Combines a high-weight hyaluronic acid and an extremely low molecular weight sodium hyaluronate. This enables multi-level instant and lasting hydration, leaving skin looking and feeling firmer and more radiant. With 4% DHA tanning actives for daily use, the innovative formula is derived from organic grapeseed. I think they're missing a letter there. I'm assuming it's supposed to say grapeseed oil plus 7 superfoods. It is $49. I didn't see that 9 was a 0, you guys. My eyesight is not as great as it once was. And then next up here we have something from Beauty Bakery, which is a highlighting palette, and I'm happy to see this. I was hoping I would get this. Let's just rip it out. What you doing? You want to wear some makeup? This is Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. So, their attention to detail is so cute. Like the little spoon in the shade here. It's like super cute. So, it's got, you know, from light to deep. So, everybody could probably use this. If you can't use the lighter ones, use them on your eyes. Darker one I could probably use on my eyes. So happy to see this, and this is $38. And then next I see something. This says it is Complex Culture Beauty Sonic Tea Facial Massager. Isn't that pretty much what that last item was? I'm not going to open it because I think it's pretty close to this thing. This is a vibrating facial massager, and this is a facial T-bar massager. They sound pretty close, so not really something that I would use, but we'll see. And that is $58. Wow. That's a lot of money. And then the last thing here is called Hey Honey Lip Balm. And this, I guess that's the brand Hey Honey Trick or Treat Berry Lip Balm with Natural Tint. And it is $23. I'm going to keep track of time. I have a doctor's appointment today. Oh, that's cool. Looks like it's going to be purple. Let's see. Got like a squeezy. There we go. What are you whining about? Come here. It's just, once you get it on your lips, I don't think you'll be able to see it. It smells good. What? You just think I can hold you all day long? I can't. So that is what is in the September premium box. I do still have the base box coming, and we'll see what's in that. And other than that, that's all I have. I hope you guys are all having a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing Lily and seeing a double unboxing plus a Boxycharm pop-up. So yeah, if you're new, make sure to subscribe. And if you're not new, thank you for returning. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.